Give you my heart.
Hi, what's up guys? Today we're doing a new Roblox video, and this is Build a Boat for Treasure. And it's not that fun, honestly. So if you just see like I randomly from like one place to another, it's because this video is too long. And all the parts were like not like fun or anything. Just me building. Okay, so anyways, that's that. So Unipower is my friend. She like stopped calling me Unipower and all that stuff, and like further into the video. So I'm just gonna call her by her name. Her name is Sammy. She's my best friend, and we play together sometimes. Yeah, we go to school together. And anyways, before I was talking about my whole personal life, we're gonna have some fun. Let's do some ASMR right now. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, it's me. Today, we're doing some Bloxburg. Oh crap. Today, we're doing some Build a Boat for Treasure. ASMR. Look. Here it is. I think this happens. Here we are. Okay, so anyways, here we're gonna hear like some tapping. Doing like that. How about this? More ASMR. Here's some more ASMR. I bet you liked that, didn't you? Well, comment below if I'm a good ASMR dude. I don't know why any of this matters, but hey, this video I don't really care about. I've had this video in my storage for like 5 million flipping years. So, yeah, that's that. You like my ASMR video? So anyways, we building our boat right now. Yeah, it's cringy like my life. Okay, so here we go. We're going to ride this boat, and I'm going to comment, wee. Ow! Wee! That's that. Okay, so this game is super duper fun. You should download it. Download Roblox. It's the best. I recommend you should play this game, but I don't like it that much, so I'm not gonna play the game. If you comment below that I should, if I get over like 10 comments about it, maybe 3, maybe more than 3 comments, I will make another video of this. What you call a game? I call it Satan's boat ride. Ugh. He forces you to make your own boat, and we're gonna die. Ah! Okay, so anyways, okay. I feel like super crazy right now. It's like I'm trying to make like 3 videos today. I'm making 3 videos today. I think I made 3 videos. I think I made one yesterday, and I think it was today, but I don't know. It was my house tour. That was in my storage for like 3 days, so I made it today or tomorrow or yesterday. I don't know. So we're gonna have to build us another boat because I got some new supplies. Oh yay! And I want to look at all the stuff that I got. Look, a steering wheel, yay! Is that one of those like pirate thingies? Yeah, it's one of those pirate thingies. So, I'm gonna like talk faster. Like, oh my god, this is gonna be so much fun. Like, I don't even understand. I don't even know like why am I here? Okay. So we're building this crappy boat thing. Fill that block, Sammy. Fill that block right there. No, fill that block right. No, what are you doing, Sammy? Put the block down. She can't hear me, but I mean, whatever, you know, just like whatever. I'm tired. And then round 5, he asked me on a date. Sorry, it's a song. It's a country song, you know. It's a country song. Okay, so I'm building my boat. I'm gonna steer this ship because it's gonna be so cool. Oh, what if I said the S word? I'm gonna steer this ship. So, me and my bestie Sammy, we're gonna be riding on a boat because we're gonna be sailors when we grow up. Hell yeah. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Oh, look at that boat over there. Wait, what is that Target thing? Do you guys see that? That Target, what the? Who made that? What? I'm so confused right now. And that guy's going crazy over there. I don't even know what. Oh my gosh! Ah! We almost got hit, but that guy's dead. I don't even know if it's a male or female or female, boy or girl, little baby. I don't know. Probably like 5 years old. That's how he died.
Hit or miss.
This video's on fast now, so I can get done with this video and go to sleep. I'm not gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna play some more blocks. But I can get my money up. You thought? Okay. So I'm gonna do some ASMR for you, people that are not gonna watch this video. Okay, so here I go in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so we're gonna do some more tapping noises. Listen. Can you hear that? Okay, so now I'm gonna make some ocean noises. Howoosh, 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 Time for the werewolf howl. Howl, howl. Time for the duck on Wednesday night. Quack, quack. No, crap, that's a pig. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a cow. Moo, moo. Moo. Moo, 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 moo. Sorry, guys. Okay, so you're gonna get annoyed with me doing this all the time. Hey, Sam and Logan and Sammy. I thought she was talking about Sammy, but in the chat, talking about my acquaintance from school, because we don't talk, so I don't count us as friends. Okay, so now we ride in our boat. I don't call this boat. I call this like a piece of moldy trash, which is me. Okay, so we're gonna live through this garbage if we can, because garbage. What is that? Why is that eggplant in my frequently used? Call 911. We found our killer. And I play Special Victims Unit. What's that place called? I don't know. But it goes like Special Victims Unit. It goes bump bump. I don't know. I forget it. It would have been cool if it like actually worked. But I don't know how to do that. Comment below if you know how to do that on mobile, phone, tablet, and Android. Samsung, Galaxy S9. And then anyways, I always had to die. I'm sorry, I was choking on like life. It's like, choking me. Okay. So anyways, like I was saying, we're gonna pray. Let's get those angel emojis. Where are they at? There it is. Only one? He's like 5, 10. Listen, I can hear our boat crashing into like a million pieces with that lightning, flashing thunder, pew 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 pew. I'm the last survivor. Wait. Never mind. I'll find someone like you. I should shut up. I suck at singing. Don't, oh my god, don't be mean because I suck at singing. Kill me kill me at the lamb slaughter back on 6th Street. Okay, so as I was saying, we're gonna live in this boat for as long as we can. And if I can sit down. Where? Oh my god. There we go. Smiles. And then we're gonna win this game. Take me on the blue team. We are on blue team. Sammy. That's my. What? I don't know. Get up, please. Me builds over it. I'm building over. I don't care. She's like, I can't sit down. Ha! So, I'm just chilling right now, trying to figure this out. I'm not even playing the game. Like, I'm just on iMovie, just like recording it with my voice. Am I retarded? Okay, I'm gonna speak in a deep voice like this right now. Okay, okay, good. Comment below if I should. My voice is retarded and annoying. So like, yeah, that's how you do it now. Listen, I can hear the bells from Hairspray 2007. Boy, it's my favorite movie besides The Greatest Showman. Achoo! Bless me. Bless you. I gotta go take a poop. We're gonna play this game like it was Friday night. This game is so fun. That rhythm, something, and more some things. Yeah. When will this game be over? Die is funny. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna try to like make this good content, even though no one's gonna watch it. Okay, I skipped like a whole phase there. Okay, anyways, we survived some tornadoes, all that stuff, and then we're in a more rocky texture. If I can literally just look outside these walls, I can. Pickles, onions, and what's my other ingredient? How much longer until we reach the end? Meat, none. You need power, Sammy. I don't know. Me. Avocado. Me. Puts avocado emojis. Sam Jordan says, hashtag. Hashtag, bruh. Hashtag. Cucumber. Me dies of death. Cucumbers are bad. Hey guys, Sammy. Stop, guys. Sam getting mad. Stop. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video here. Okay, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna tell you all the stuff that I want you to do at the end. So let me just do a wave and okay, bye.